All right, hi guys. We're going to start off by getting our brains awake. And so I'm going to write a word on my whiteboard. And the first word I'm going to write the word bed. So when I write my lowercase b, remember I'm starting from the top, I'm pulling down, tracing back up and around. B, E, D, bed. Now, I have the word bed here, and I want to know if I have more than one bed. So my kids have two beds in their room. What do I need to do to make this say more than one? Do you know? That's right. I'm going to say the word beds. And to make it more than one, you just add an S to make it beds. All right, so I'm going to do another one. The next word I'm going to do is I'm going to write the word tub. So when I'm writing the word tub, I'm going to start from the top and pull down from my b, up and around. Notice how my B, I started from the top, pulled down, up and around. All right, so if you have a piece of paper, you can write this also. If not, you can just watch me. And if I have 3 tubs in my house, what do I need to do to make this say tubs? That's right. I need to add an S. So it says tubs. So on this assignment today, we are going to look at the page and figure out what it is talking about. So do you guys remember what they use the bus for? What did the Superkids use the bus for? They wanted it to be like a meeting place for them. So they're getting their bus ready, so it will be a cool meeting place for them. And it's an old bus. It has weeds and bugs and all kinds of objects inside and outside of this. And what we're going to do is we are going to figure out what words we need to add and what words we need to circle. So looking at the first one, they've already done it for us. And I like how there's a little speech bubble for us that says, the bus has lots of stuff. And now that's a sentence, because you guys are so smart and you know how to read, that is a sentence that you can read by yourself. And I'm not going to go over all the answers until the very end, because I want you to use your own brains and try to do this yourself. So let's look at the first one. It says lots of bags or lots of bugs. You are going to circle the one that makes sense. And they actually wrote the word of for you already, which was very nice. And make sure when you're making your O, you're starting right below vanilla and going backwards around like the letter C and coming back to the starting point. And with your letter F, you are starting at the top, right below strawberry, come up, touch strawberry, all the way down to chocolate on all of those ones that you write the word of, okay? I know you can do it. And you are going to read each one of those sentences and figure out which word is correct. So the first one says, I kind of went over it, lots of bags or lots of bugs. When I'm looking at that bus, it looks like there are lots of bugs. So I want you to trace the word of and circle the word bugs, okay? Now I want you to do that for the rest of them. I'm going to wait a couple minutes, and you can pause this if you need to. All right, so now hopefully you paused it and you're back on. I want you to go down to the bottom where it says lots of flags or lots of fast. So I'm giving you the answers now. So hopefully you've done it all by yourself and you're making your brain get smarter. And now this is just to help you to make sure you did it correctly, okay? So lots of flags or lots of fast. First of all, lots of fast does not make sense. And when I'm looking at the picture, I see flags on the top of the bus. So you should have circled the word flags and traced the word of. Then you're going to go to the top corner and it says lots dust, lots of gust. So I made sure I sounded out the word and there's a nice blend at the end. So lots of dust or lots of gust. You're first going to write the word of, and then you are going to circle the word dust. Okay, move down to the very bottom. Hopefully you've already done this by yourself, and if you haven't, please pause it so your brain can get smarter. You are going to write the word of, so it says of stiff, lots of stiff, or lots of uh, lots of stuff. I'm thinking, I don't know what lots of stiff is, but I'm thinking lots of stuff. So you should have circled the word stuff. All right, good job, guys.